practices that has migrated onto my precious natural ingredients. Could never live with someone who didn't enjoy scorched and burnt foods as much as me. Well-fired rolls and burnt ends. Another burnt dish from another place. There have been malicious studies that discredited heavily carbonized foods as carcinogenic, but it didn't put me off. One needs to enjoy life, and my only access route to blissful enjoyment is those burnt foods.